This is the Miantev electronic snap circuit steam kit. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a booklet as well as the kit here. So this is for kids, generally meant for ages 8 to 12 years old. And it's an electronics building kit. It's one of the more simple ones that you can get. There were things like this when I was a kid. Didn't have everything just snap together easily. I'll show you that in a second. But you can build little circuits here, and they're all different things. There's like a light over here. This is a voice actuation module. Another light here. This is a little motor in here with a little blade you can put on the shaft there. Little traffic light, some switches, and this thing here is a dexterity test that you can hook up to a light or the sound object that's in here. There's a bell thing right there, for example, electronic, and they give you this thing over here, and you run it up and down that, and if you touch it, it'll sound the bell, and the game is over, and you have to try again. Okay, so that's the kind of thing that this is. This is what's called a STEAM kit. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics. And yep, you're going to use pretty much all of that here. Now, the manual is going to have, the booklet is going to have some ideas for you. But the idea is to be creative here and come up with your own thing. You have a battery box, takes 3 batteries to power it, so it's all low voltage safe stuff here. And you can rig up different circuits. Press a button and have a light go on. Press a button and have the fan run. Press a button and have it ring the bell, like a doorbell kind of thing. All kinds of different stuff like that. And things snap together here. Okay, so you have the base over here. These fit together. As you see, there's a bunch of them to make it larger, and then various items will snap into it. As you can see, the little guys right there, if I just get the wires out of the way here, for example, then you just line that up and it snaps into place. So you can put everything where you need it and pull it out when you're done. Build a different circuit like that. So this is meant for, you know, kids starting out in electronics and stuff like that. Great thing instead of having them play with their phone, because they get some hands-on experience and get to learn what positive and negative are, what happens if you hook things up backwards, all different stuff, and some fun with the little guy over here and things like that that you can do. So there's all kinds of different stuff here. I don't really want to put this together because I want you to use your own creativity to make this happen. But I will build a simple circuit here quickly and just demonstrate one or two of the things that you can do there. There's no tools required, even for the wire connections or anything like that. So let me go and put something together quick and we'll test it out. So we're going to build a very simple circuit here and make this guy go utilizing the included battery pack. So basically, to build this circuit, for example, we're going to just plug that in there. We're going to want the battery pack. Let's see, we can put that up here somewhere so that can go in. And now we need a way to connect. So we'll come over here and we can put that in. And what you do is you just bend it and stick the wire in the spring like that. We're going to observe the polarity in this case, the blue to blue, and over here the red and the red. Okay, and we now have a complete circuit. That fast. The battery pack has a switch on it, but they also give you switches here So we'll wire that in a minute. But just for an example, we'll turn it on, and it runs. You'll notice it spun counterclockwise. What happens if we hook it the other way? Pull that out, and put the red wire where that one went, and the blue wire where the red wire went. And now it goes clockwise. And these are, you know, soft, so nobody gets their fingers chopped off. So that's all good there. Let's say we want a separate switch. Well, we can just wire that in over here. So we'll put the switch, I guess, maybe here, like that. I don't know which way is on or off on it, but we'll find out in a minute. We're going to need to put another connector. We'll pull that out, set it aside, hook one of the wires of the switch up to that. Other wire of the switch will go here, along with the other wire from the fan, we'll call it. There, now I turned it on and nothing happened, but, well, let's see. Either I have a bad connection or something else. I had a bad connection, that's all it was. Still a dodgy connection somewhere. But there you go. And now you can also troubleshoot bad connections like that. Okay, so that's just one example right there. I'll power up some of the other gadgets in it as well. Here's the bell thing hooked up. So that plays a little song like that. We can disconnect that. And over here we have a little traffic light. Let's see, we could just put that maybe right here. And hook our wires up again, obeying polarity. You know, if only wire connections worked like that in real life, it would just be a lot easier. Hit that. There's a button on top of this one. So the red light is on. I don't know if it cycles or you have to press for it to go to the next. Yeah. So you have to press it for it to advance to the next color like that. We'll put it on yellow right there. But you have all kinds of different options here. You can hook the little fan in with it and the bell if you want. So let's just do all three. So there's all three running, and one switch can control all of them. Now remember, you got that little game thing there that you could do, have it run the fan or hit the bell. If you hit it with that, with the wand as you go through, so you can do that and many other things. The manual has some ideas for you, and of course you could rig up your own circuits using, for example, the switch. There's also another one included, so you could switch the fan and the bell together and then have a separate switch for the little game, or any which way you want to slice and dice it, and that's the whole idea. And when something doesn't work, it's very simple to check all of your connections there and see what went wrong and why something went wrong and learn from it. That's the whole idea of a steam kit. It gets creative juices flowing and makes them think about, how would I be able to do this? How would I do that? What's the idea with that? And if you can actually sit there with your child and kind of teach them, and you don't really need any kind of electronics degree. This is for kids, obviously. It's very simple circuit stuff. I mean, I learned this in grade school, but hey. times were different 40 years ago, but that's another story entirely. But it still can get their feet wet, so to speak, in terms of this, and get their creative juices flowing. There were circuit building kits where you could build like a crystal radio and all kinds of stuff when I was a kid, and of course there are more advanced kits out there as well. That's the kind of stuff that was around when I was a kid. I didn't even have that. I just had to kind of do it without any kind of fancy things, and I had to learn how to connect wires together, how to solder, electrical tape, all that kind of stuff on my own. But again, this is a great starting point. And I will tell you that if somebody gave me this as a gift, I would probably make use of a lot of the parts of this that would live on for many years in other little projects that I've created. And there have been many that I've done over the years, different circuits, many in this house, in fact, that I designed and built, and some in an old car I had years ago, all kinds of stuff. It all stemmed from my curiosity and wanting to learn, and this kit can help your children to develop that kind of curiosity. Again, everything is low voltage, just battery powered, safe. Nobody's getting a shock or their fingers chopped off or anything like that. So everything is perfectly safe here and nobody will get hurt. Once again, this is the Miantev Electronic Snap Circuit Steam Kit. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.